We're going to start using some of Raz Kids. Some of you might be familiar with, some of you didn't use it a whole lot this year, but it's a great resource because I can assign you books, or if you run out of books to read at home, you can log into your Raz Kids, also known as Kids A to Z, and there are tons of books on your level. Sometimes they have quizzes for you to do so you can kind of check your comprehension. So to do that, what you would do is go on the link that I linked onto our agenda. It's kidsa-z.com, and you'll see our whole class like this. You find your name. I'm going to use Hadley's. Click on your name. Enter your password. Your password is just your first name. Please do not go into anybody else's account. Stick to your own account. And then it will come to a little home screen like this. Go ahead and scroll down to see your recent assignments and click there. And if you go scroll down some more, it will say single assignments. And I have actually assigned some books to everybody. I did some poetry books because we're kind of focusing on poetry right now. The poetry books do not have a quiz, so you're just going to choose one poetry book to read today. Click on the book underneath it. If it has a quiz that goes with it, it will also have a question mark. But the poetry books do not. Go ahead and click on the book, and it will pop up the book that you want to read. And you just read through the book, see what you notice about poetry. If you down here, the next button, it will turn the pages for you. Okay, so while you're reading today, think about what poetry elements you notice are in the book. Are there rhyming words? Think back to third grade. I know there was a lot of focus on poetry in third grade, the different type of sentences and stuff like that. Have a good day.